Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Sachin. Today's idiom will help you in every social situation, from parties to office meetings. Let's learn together. Today idiom is break the ice. Now does this mean we are literally breaking the ice like this? Now let me explain the real meaning. Break the ice means to make people feel more comfortable in social situation, especially when meeting someone for the first time, and it's about starting conversation to remove awkwardness. Meaning, its literal meaning to make people feel more comfortable and start conversation. So, I share three real situations where you can use this idiom. First one, imagine your first day of your company, everyone is sitting quietly in a meeting room and nobody is talking. The atmosphere is awkwardness. Then your manager says, let's break the ice in a friendly tone. Let's break the ice. Why don't we all introduce ourselves and share one interesting fact about us? See, the manager used this idiom to make everyone comfortable and start the conversation. Example 1 is let's break the ice with introductions. Second real example, you are at the wedding or family function, you see our cousin's friend sitting alone and looking uncomfortable. You want to talk but don't know how to start. So you go and say, hi, I'm Sachin, this music is great. Which song do you like the most? Perfect. You just broke the ice with a simple, friendly question. Now the conversation can flow naturally. Example 2. I broke the ice by asking about the music. Last example. This one's for more professional. You are in the meeting room with a client for the first time before discussing business. Before we start, let's me break the ice. I notice are you from Mumbai? I studied there for 2 years. Which area are you from? Excellent. You found a common ground and made the client more comfortable. That's a breaking the ice professionally. Example 3. Let me break the ice before we discuss about business. Example, let me break the ice before discuss about the business. That's a perfect three scenarios. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Slow and clear pronunciation. Break the ice. One more time. Complete sentence. I broke the ice by introducing myself. Perfect. Now trying your own sentence and comment below. So friends, tomorrow when we meet someone first time, don't be shy. Break the ice with a smile and simple question. Now I want you to practice in the comment below. Write one sentence using break the ice. I will reply with everyone. Bye.